Hey guys, what's up? Goofy Bastard here. And today we are meeting up with a buddy, Pat. And we're gonna head on down to, I don't know, someplace. Talking about heading out to a Harley dealer. One of the ones neither him or I have been to. So, just sitting here waiting. The normal meetup spot, Valley Forge Park. You know, normally it's a Wawa, you know, being from PA or Jersey, it's a Wawa, but we're meeting up here in Valley Forge, and then we're gonna head on down. So, guess we'll catch up with you in a bit. Alright, see you. Alright guys, we're back. I'm on the bike, and as you can see, you're looking at a new helmet. Yes, I got a new helmet. It is a Scorpion Covert XO FX or Scorpion FX Covert XO. I don't know what the hell it's called. It's got a fucking long name. And we got Pat right there. Say hi, Pat. And we are on our way to Lancaster Harley. So I'm gonna take a ride and just enjoy the day. It's a beautiful day, man. It's upper 60s, low 70s right now. So it's a really, really nice day. And like I said, we'll catch up with you in a little bit. What's up, brother? So we finally made it out here into the country. Got some beautiful riding out here, beautiful areas. I think we got Amish out here and Mennonites and stuff like that. A really nice area. Oh damn. Longhorn steer. I don't know if you can see that on camera. Pretty cool though. Pretty gosh darn cool, man. Then you can just smell you're in farmland. I wish I had smell vision. Beautiful fresh farm air. Oh wow, look at that. Here comes a horse and buggy right now up in front of us. That's pretty cool. And guys, we got something going on over here. Looks like something might be on fire. Hoping you can see all that black smoke. Oh damn. What was that? Oh. It's a I guess it's a diesel fucking something or other going through the field. Oh damn. I guess nothing's on fire. My bad. Oh, it's the fucking train thing. Oh, okay, I get it. We're at the train place, railroad museum in Pennsylvania. Look at that. God darn. I didn't know we were up this way. Holy shit. Strasburg Railroad. Alright. Now I know what all that black smoke's from. I thought there was a fire. Alright. Be back at you. Well guys, we were just about there. I can see it in the distance. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I can. Let's see where the driveway is. Shall we? Ah, it's right there. Alright, cool. So this is the first time I've been here. The first time Pat's been here as well. So, guess we'll go up in the front here, pick a parking spot. Indian out there? Look at that. Alright guys, so we're here, as you can see in the sign right there, Lancaster Harley. So we made it. Not a bad looking place. Never been here before. We're gonna go inside, check it out. Well guys, we're back on the bikes and heading on home. So Lancaster Harley was pretty cool. I picked up a new shirt, a couple poker chips, and yeah, it wasn't a bad, it was a smaller dealership, but it wasn't a bad one. It's pretty cool. It had a lot of bikes in there, really, and some decent pricing on bikes too. I was really surprised. So then we stopped for lunch. Springhouse Brewing Company out there in Strasbourg. It was pretty decent. Pat had a Reuben and I had a buffalo chicken cheesesteak. Decent. Prices weren't bad. I wanted to film in there, but I didn't. So yeah. So we're still out here in God's country, in the cornfields. So that's where I'm going to end it. Gonna throw the music on, and I'm gonna fucking chill out and enjoy the ride. All right guys, so until next time, my friends, y'all stay safe, y'all love one another, peace.